All right, today we're going to talk about creating a Google site from scratch, and I'm going to give you the step-by-step process of doing that over a few videos. But for our first video, we just want to start creating the basic layout of our site. So we're going to go to this box image right here and click that. Go to where it says Sites, and then we're going to press Create. And our blank template, and we're going to just say this is a third grade web page, and maybe you can put your school after it. So our school would be Thales Raleigh. Okay, and we're going to do a blank template. You could look for templates through, maybe they have school and education, and choose one if you would rather do that. They already have some gadgets put in there, but I wanted to show you what it would be like starting from scratch if you want to just create just a basic format. So we chose our blank template, put our name of our site, and now we're going to select a theme, and I'm just going to go down here and do vinyl panel for now. That's fine. And then press create. And as it begins to load, you'll see that your title of your web page is here. You have a search for the site. You can go there and find certain information. You have the sidebar that will have our pages on it, and then our information about our site will be on our first page here as well. So the first thing I want us to do is kind of edit our site and make it a little bit more appealing. And the way we're going to do that is press Edit Pages. And I want to put a banner up here because this by itself looks a little silly. And I also want to change our layout. And so first I'm going to change the layout. And I personally like having this right sidebar because it kind of breaks the image up, or two columns fine. There's different ones that you can do. I'm going to do two column for this tutorial. And our first page, instead of it being called home, we're going to put announcements. And this will kind of give parents information about our school and what's going on. And maybe here we put mark your calendars, and we'll have some dates. So maybe in March, March 5th, you're going to the zoo, or March 18th, there is a book fair, different information that you want to put in there. And then below that, maybe you're going to tell about your assignments for the week. So maybe in math, you're going to do lessons 5 through 10. And you can give more information, some math, reading, science, and you're going to actually have all this information, and then whoever else in your grade level, if you share this page, can also be on here. So Mr. Combs, maybe will make his name bold and a little bit bigger so it stands out, and maybe we'll change it to green, and maybe I'll have another teacher in here like Miss Knox, and we'll make her name bigger as well, bold it, and maybe we're on the same team and we're going to share this page, and all parents that are have children in our third grade classes can come to this one site to find the information. So we'll make her name orange, and she can give her information about her school. And at the very end, I'll show you what it looks like as a whole, so you can kind of see anything that you do on this page to edit, you must save for it to show up on the page. So this is kind of the basic of how it would look. Of course, it's going to look a lot better as we move along, but as you can see, our announcements tab has gotten to the left here. And personally, I prefer to go to Edit Site Layout, and instead of having the sidebar, I like having my tabs up at the top. So I'm going to take away this sidebar. Okay, I'm going to disable it, and I'm going to press the horizontal navigation. And now you see that it has our page announcements here, the tab. So no matter if we go to other pages here in a little bit, which we'll create at the next video, you'll be able to see tab after tab, but our main page will be our announcements page. The last thing I want to show in this tutorial is to change the header and to make it look a little bit more appealing, because right now it just has our title and our search for this site, and we want to kind of make it look a little bit better. So I'm going to go to this new tab and just do third grade banner, and I'm going to go to images and see if I can find something that might look good. Let's just say we'll just do this one up here since it's a different. You can add and change and whatever you want to. And we're going to save this. Save image as, and we'll just put it as that, save. We'll maybe change it as third grade banner. Put it in our desktop, press save. We're good. And now we're going to go to edit site. Now it says use theme default value and all that information, and right now we're going to press use logo size and go to custom logo and add our logo where it says third grade banner, and press open, and we'll see how it looks right here. There we go. So now we have our banner here, and now it looks a little off. We need to kind of adjust this. So I'm going to edit it one more time, and instead of doing theme default, I'm going to say top and center, so it's kind of in the middle, and everything will kind of look a little bit more together. And now our page is kind of coming together a little bit more. If you want to adjust these, you can make, instead of boxes, maybe you like tabs, and see now it's kind of a part of the page, or maybe you like links. I personally prefer boxes in this look. Alright, so that's our first video. So we've created our banner, we've got our web page title, we've got our announcements in there, and we can add more information. And we're going to press close, and the easiest way to add information is to click this edit page. So let's say you come through here and you want to put volunteer opportunities. And lunch parent, sign-ups, and other information. You can add that. If you have a link that you like, a sign-up genius. So let's say I go to my sign-up genius page, and I log in, and maybe I want to add a sign-up that I've created. Let's just say lunch parent, and I go here, and I want to just make this link available for parents. So Combs lunch parent, and I'm going to highlight Combs lunch parent, and I'm going to link this in. So I'll go to web address, and you'll see that Combs lunch parent will be what they click on to find this link. I've copied and pasted the link in. We'll open this in a new window and then press save. And now if parents click this, it will take them to the page to log in. So these are just the basic functions. We'll talk a little bit more about the web design here in our next tutorial.